Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the confirm before deleting option in the Gmail app so you never accidentally delete an important email again. This simple setting adds an extra layer of protection when you manage your inbox on the go. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want this feature enabled. Once you're on the main inbox screen, tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. A side panel will slide open. Scroll all the way down until you find the option labeled Settings. Tap on it to move to the next step. Now, if you have multiple accounts linked, choose the one where you want to adjust the settings. Next, select General Settings. This is where you'll find several options that control how Gmail behaves on your device. Scroll down through the list until you reach the section called Action Confirmations. Here you'll notice a few toggle switches that let you confirm actions before completing them. These include options for archiving, deleting, and sending messages. To turn on confirmation before deleting, simply find the switch labeled Confirm before deleting and toggle it on. When it's enabled, Gmail will now ask for your confirmation every time you try to delete an email. This is especially helpful if you often use swipe gestures or delete messages quickly. You'll get a quick pop-up asking if you're sure before the email is moved to the trash. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the delete confirmation in Gmail. From now on, you'll have peace of mind knowing that no message can disappear with just one accidental tap. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.